Hey guys, Dirk here with Hobby Armor. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you how I like to use our new graded card shipping protectors. So basically your first step is to put your slab inside of a graded card sleeve, and you take one of the shipping protectors. And the reason I like to put the shipping protector on there, or the graded card sleeve I mean, is because I like to use tape here to hold the card in place inside of the shipping protectors. So you do that, and then you just center the slab in the middle of one of the protectors. Then you put the other one on just to complete the sandwich. And then of course I like to seal the sides of it with painter's tape. Alright, and as you can see, we now have a fully protected graded card, and it has about a 1/4 inch margin on each side to protect it in case during shipment if the package gets bumped into something while they're switching vehicles or whatever. You know that the card is fully protected in case something were to happen to it during transit to the buyer. Now what I like to do from here is I take a 00, number 2, however you say that, a padded envelope, and it's like these protectors were designed to ship in these envelopes. They're perfect size. So what you do is take your sandwich here and slip inside the padded envelope, and I like to push down to the bottom just so I can get it nice and tight so there's no moving around. Take that off and seal it. And I always like to put a piece of packing tape across here, then you put your envelope here, and I always like to tape it on. But as you can see, it's the perfect fit. It's great for when the buyer receives it. You have it fully protected by the shipping protectors on the inside. So if it gets bumped around on a vehicle, dropped on the ground, it's going to be protected. The cardboard's going to take the force and not the actual slab. And then you take the extra level, putting it in a padded envelope. Now these are available on Amazon now. Just go to amazon.com/hobbyarmor, or you can just simply search for Hobby Armor as well. All right, well, I really appreciate it.